Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus aluminum wire. Let's start by examining their electrical conductivity. Copper boasts 60% higher conductivity than aluminum, meaning it can carry more current in a smaller gauge. This makes copper the industry standard for most electrical wiring, ensuring efficient power delivery in homes and businesses. Next, let's consider strength and flexibility. Copper is much stronger and more durable, resisting stretching and breakage better than aluminum. Aluminum is softer and can be more susceptible to damage from repeated bending or vibration. This superior mechanical strength of copper helps maintain secure connections, reducing the risk of loose wiring. Now, let's talk about cost and weight. Aluminum wire is generally 30 to 70% less expensive than copper, making it an attractive option for large-scale projects. However, copper is approximately 3 times heavier than aluminum for the same current carrying capacity. Aluminum's lighter weight is a significant advantage for overhead power lines, reducing structural support needs. Finally, we'll discuss corrosion and safety. Copper forms a stable oxide layer that resists further corrosion, maintaining excellent conductivity over time. Aluminum, however, oxidizes rapidly, and this oxide can increase resistance at connections, potentially leading to overheating. Therefore, meticulous installation and proper connectors are absolutely critical for ensuring the long-term safety and reliability of both copper and aluminum wiring systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.